This is Dr. Kyle Kerma, and I'm excited to talk with you about what makes psychoanalytic psychotherapy so effective. Normally in therapy, a therapist will give you some tools, advice about how to deal with issues going on in your life. You can go home, try some of those things, bring them back into therapy and see if they were effective or not. A lot of times this is really useful, but psychoanalytic psychotherapy, in my opinion, is more useful, and I'm going to explain why. Think of it like taking your car to the mechanic. You're driving along, your car's making that really weird noise, so you pull into the shop and of course the noise stops. You can recreate the noise for the mechanic, you can tell them what it sounded like, but nothing is the same as if they were able to get in the car and hear the noise with you. In the same way, this is what sets psychoanalytic psychotherapy apart from other therapies. Instead of giving a client homework or things to do on their own outside of the therapy, what I do is I work with my clients in the room on how they are currently feeling and thinking. I want to hear their difficulties. I want to hear what's ailing them. And then in the room together, we really get into those thoughts and feelings. We get into their experience and work through it together. What can happen is that people tell stories about what's going on in their lives, and it can be helpful to deal with those stories in the there and then, but what's more helpful is to work on them in the here and now, in the relationship being developed between myself and my clients. I have found that to be much more helpful than alternative therapies. I hope it's been informative and helpful for you to think about what makes psychoanalytic psychotherapy more effective than other therapies, and I look forward to answering any other questions you might have about it. Thank you.